These are the TAUCI white ceramic 6-inch, 8-inch, and 10-inch indoor plant pots. These were sent to me for evaluation purposes, but all opinions are my own. My opinion is they are really nice. I've got another set of TAUCI pots that I really like. As you can see, they came packaged great, completely protected and arrived safely. And here you can see them outside of the package. They've given us some drain screens and some silicone plugs here. They have a nice minimalist mid-century modern design, simple but attractive look to them, which I like. They are super heavy duty, and these larger ones have some weight to them. These are handcrafted ceramic pots. Ceramic is a good choice because it's very resilient to fading and deforming. These things are very sturdy and very durable. Also, they're easy to clean. Nice smooth on the outside here. You can see the inside has been left unglazed, which is what you want for proper water absorption and airflow. And see, I've got some fig cuttings. Some are growing faster than others, and I want to move them to a larger pot so I can get them going this spring. And then probably this summer I'll put some flowers in there or some echeveria or something that looks nice. You can see each pot has a drainage hole to allow the excess water to drain out. And you can see they've given us these silicone plugs and the mesh pads in here. Super easy to install. They help prevent soil from spilling out. So you can use those if you want to. When you water a plant, the plant's going to take whatever water it needs and leave the rest on the bottom there. So it's kind of cool just to have the option to use the mesh and the drain plugs if you want to or if you need to. This is a great looking set for indoor use or outdoor use. They would look great on the patio, on the deck, on the porch, set up indoors on a plant rack maybe, pretty much anywhere. I love them. They look great.